Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the find and replace option in Microsoft Word. As you can see, I've got a document here in front of me and I want to look for a specific word, and then I want to change the word throughout the document. Now you can do this by looking for the word, but the moment when there's a lot of the same word, it's very easy to rather use the find and replace option. Like, I'm going to change the word cholesterol to uppercase, bold and italics right through the document. So instead of going to look for cholesterol, it'll take me a lot of time just to find each and every cholesterol, and I might overlook one of the cholesterols because you can't always see it, especially when you're working under pressure in a test or an exam. So it's best to rather use the find and replace option. So the first thing you do is you first find the word by clicking on find under the home tab, and then it's going to open up the navigation pane here. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in the word that you are looking for. Now, very important, if you have to change the word cholesterol, you ensure that you type it in the correct sentence, well, not sentence, rather in the correct case. With other words, are you changing cholesterol from lowercase to uppercase, or are you changing from uppercase to lowercase? Whatever the case might be. But remember, there is also sentence case words in the document. For example, you can see the very first two here is the uppercase C and the rest is lowercase. So if you have to change everything that's in lowercase to uppercase, it's important to only find the word cholesterol in lowercase. Now remember, this is just an example. You can be presented with different information. So let's look for the word cholesterol in lowercase. Cholesterol. Oh, yeah, and this is another thing. If you type the word that you are looking for incorrect, like I made a spelling error here, it says we couldn't find what you were looking for. So it's very important. Please check your spelling. So it is cholesterol. Right. And there's 16 results that's been found. Okay, which is fine, because when we get to the replace window, we're going to select that we only want to change the word cholesterol exactly the way that I've typed it. Alright, so we first find the word. It shows us there's 16 results. Then I'm going to click on the option that says replace, and now it's asking me find what? The word cholesterol. Now, it automatically made the C uppercase, so just change it so that it's a lowercase. And then we said we want to replace the word cholesterol with cholesterol, but this time we want to replace it in uppercase, right? Cholesterol. But we also want to make it bold and underlined so that the word can stand out. So what we do then, we go to the option that says more, and this is the important part, the search options. Before we go to the formatting, let's just see our search options here. At the moment it's searching all, but what we need to do is we need to match the case so that we only change the words that is in lowercase. All the letters must be in lowercase, so it's very important to say then match the case. Right. Then you have more options here, so you can look at these options, but for now it's not applying to what I want because I'm not matching prefixes or suffixes, and I don't have to look for whole words only, but sometimes you have to find and replace a word that might be part of another word. That's why you will use this option here, find whole words only. But in this case, I just want to look for the word cholesterol, and I want to change it to cholesterol in uppercase. but it must match the case, what I'm finding. Okay, so that's the important thing. Ensure that you say match the case. And then you replace it and you change the formatting to what you need. Under formatting, you have a lot of options here: font, paragraph tabs, language, frame, style, highlight. But I just want to apply a little bit of formatting to the font itself. So I click on font, and then you get the following window. You can either change the actual font to a different font, you can change the font style, and you can change the size of what you want to replace it with. Now I said I want to make it bold and italics, and as you can see here, this is a preview of what it's going to look like. You can also change it to uppercase if you select all caps, but I've already typed it in uppercase, so it'll automatically change it to what I've typed it here by replace with. Okay, then I'm going to say OK. And as you can see, the moment when I clicked on OK, it shows me by replace with that the formatting will be applied to bold and italic. It's very important to make sure that when you add formatting, the cursor must be flashing where it says replace with. Because if your cursor is flashing by find what and you change the formatting, it's going to look for the word cholesterol, bold, italics, and that is going to give you 0 results. It's not going to make any replacements. So it's very important that when you apply formatting, it must be with replace with. Very, very important. Now, I have put my information here, what to find. I've said match the case exactly. I want to replace it in uppercase, and I want the format of the word to be bold and italic. And then I click on the option that says replace all. And the moment when I clicked on replace all, do you see what happened? It says all done. We made 13 replacements. Do you remember when we searched, there was 16 cholesterol words? As you can see, this cholesterol word and these two have not been changed because I've said match the case exactly to only lowercase. And that is the important thing. I do not want these 3 words to be changed, only the words that is in lowercase. After that, I click on OK, and then I can close my find and replace window. I can close the navigation pane, and there I've made my replacements by using the find and replace option. I hope you guys find this video useful and interesting, and hopefully you will know how to use the find and replace option. It's not difficult, it's just a few things you need to remember, like for example match the case. That's very, very important. So ensure that when you match the case, the word is typed in correct, and also ensure that you do not make typing errors. That's very important, otherwise all of the words are going to be spelled incorrectly. Thanks for watching, guys.